This is Daniel, an experienced truck driver on his way to what he believes is an everyday assignment. With a team of 50 people, 20 hidden cameras and a professional actor, we're going to see if Daniel has what it takes to be in the 2014 Scania Driver competitions. A powerful speaker system and an imaginary hand projected on a hollow screen are used to create the illusion of something terrifying hiding in the cargo. Like in the Scania Driver competitions, Daniel will have to maneuver through narrow passages, load and secure the cargo under time pressure. Daniel might be a skilled truck driver, but can he handle more than his truck?
Are you the driver? I have to have you drive into the warehouse.
Yes, no problem.
You know about the job, do you?
I'm gonna drive something to the harbor.
That's it, yes. You'll be amazed when you see this box. As I said, it's been in my family for hundreds of years. You get all sorts of mysterious stories about this box. A little bit closer to it, lovely. Yeah, careful. That looks good. I've left my medicine in the office.
Yeah?
I'd like you to come with me to get it if you would. You could probably have a coffee while you're there.
Yeah.
You've earned one.
When Daniel and our actor are gone, the speaker system is connected and the hollow screen is mounted in front of the side mirror. Impossible to detect from the driver's seat.
Oh, it's a long way up, isn't it? Oh.
No, it doesn't get easier with age.
What was that?
Europe?
What's going on?
I need to go check up.
No, please don't get out. It's not safe. I think actually you've woken him up.
What did I wake up?
We need to get out of here quickly. Please, faster. Faster, please. Please hurry.